morning, awesome seventh graders. I hope you had a wonderful Semana Santa. I really hope that you were able to take care of yourself, relax, spend more quality of time with your family. And also, I hope and all of us, all of your teachers are expecting and hoping that you are ready to give your best during the last weeks of school. We have few weeks. We only have 7 weeks left. So I know that you're going to have your best intention. You're going to have the best effort to do awesome. And we teachers are going to support you in order for you to be successful. So don't worry about that. But before we begin with this week, there's some important announcements that definitely you need to be reminded of and you need to take some priority. The first thing is going over your elective selection process for next year. Miss Ticket and all the counselors did an awesome job giving you, explaining all this and finding the best way to give you this all this information in this presentation and also in an email that was sent to you before the break. So make sure that during this week you make this a priority because you need to take care of the electives and make this selection during this week. I'm going to be showing you the window for the date. Tomorrow, April 21st at 8 a.m., the elective selection process will be open in Power School and it will be closed on Sunday, April 27 by midnight. Don't wait until the last day, but make sure that during this week you take care of this. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact Ms. Ticket. She is going to be assisting you and helping you as always. You know, she's awesome and she has the best intention to help you to actually make the selection of these electives. Now let's go over the process for downloading your ASFM distance learning video. If you haven't do so, guys, please take care of this during your check-in time from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. today. It's super important that you have that specific calendar downloaded into your Google Calendar. Mr. Marks did a great video, short and sweet. You just click on it and where you find it, you find it in our generation page. You are going to see some tabs. ASFM, Middle School Distance Learning is going to have some information and then you're going to see another tab that says Distance Learning Calendar. You're going to see the video. You watch this short video done by Mr. Marks. Then you're going to click here and it will take you to where you need to download the ASFM Distance Learning Calendar. Everyone needs to do it. If you haven't, please make sure that you do it because that's going to be the way that you're going to see and also be able to book office hours for your classes. So if you haven't do that, do so. If you don't that already, awesome. I'm going to explain really quick. There's different ways for you to book your teachers during office hours. The first thing that you definitely need to have in mind, it's your schedule. Please remember this. Where you can find this, Ms. Cespedes, is in your generation page. Some of your teachers have it posted in their classes, so make sure that you know your protected time and your office hours time and the day that you have your office hours. I know that we did previous this Semana Santa break, we have 3 weeks, but there's still some of you that are kind of confused of what's protected time and what's office hours. Protected time, guys, is the time that your teacher, each of us, have specific expectations about what to do during that time. Make sure that you know them, please. And if you don't, reach your teacher. Ask your teacher, I'm still not clear. What am I supposed to be doing? But at this point, I think that, it's super clear. And I know that majority of you are on top of that. Now, office hours is the time that you are going to have a one-on-one with your teacher. Each teacher have its own way, but I'm going to be explaining you how you're going to be finding office hours in the calendar, and also I'm going to be showing you a chart where you're going to be able to see how you can reach your teacher to do one-on-one during office hours. Book your teachers to have a one-on-one time during office hours. So once you download your ASFM distance learning calendar into your Google Calendar, you're going to see something like this. Okay. Now, some of us have in our pages, in our class pages, we have links where automatically you click on them and you're going to see this, and you just click on it. I need to book Miss Cespedes during this time. I need to book Miss Shanks during this time. I'm going to click on it and you will save it. As soon as you save it, the teacher will have it in their calendar and you will have it in the Google Calendar as well. Okay? Now, let's say that another teacher has another way to do it, which is, of course, fine. You are going to see this chart posted in our generation page, and you're going to be able to see how is that, depending on your class, your teacher, you're going to be able to reach or book a one-on-one appointment with them. So this is going to be a chart that will be very helpful for you to see, so you know exactly how to actually get in contact with your teacher during office hours and how to do it. Some of us have been posting the link and automatically will take you there, the same thing that is in the class page, and others have typed specific instructions on how to book them and how to get contact with them if you need a one-on-one appointment during office hours. I think that's pretty much what you need to know. I hope that you have a great week after Semana Santa. And I know that I'm saying some weeks left, and I know it's not easy. Believe me, this decision that the school made about not going back to school, it's it hasn't been easy for us teachers, and I know it's not going to be easy for you guys. This is something that we never expect that was going to happen. I'm trying to be very positive, guys, but I know it's hard, and it was the best decision for your safety and our safety. It's the best, and we're going to have some time to see each other again and celebrate that we were able to get back together. So for now, let's do our best to have the best communication and continue having the best relationship that we've been having so far during this year. And um, you rock, seventh graders. You're awesome. And all of your teachers, all of us are here to make this end of the school year the best. Seriously. Love you. Stay tuned. Mwah.